Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, yawa don burst is the only way that I can start this particular video, and we're going back to the Davido narrative, of course, with the girls that came out in the public space to make certain allegations about him. So with that guys, I bring you this: Davido arrests girls who accused him of impregnating them. So that's the headline. Davido arrests girls who accused him of impregnating them. So now let's see now what the latest development is in this particular storyline. Nigerian musician David Adeleke, better known as Davido, has arrested the two ladies who wrongly accused him of impregnating them. The ladies had last week taken to social media to call out the singer for impregnating one of them and refusing to accept responsibility. The artist denied this accusation vehemently and placed a 1 million naira bounty on anyone with information that could lead to the arrest of the girls. He also promised to sue them for 30 billion naira in damages. The two girls, who had done several posts on social media to say that they were only pranking the musician, were however on Tuesday arrested in their apartment. Acknowledging the arrest, Davido posted a picture of the girls on his Instagram page with the caption, "First to do, no dey pain." So now this is now the latest narrative in these silly little girls who wanted to pop on social media because they wanted to be part of the scene. So they've now gone to the top of the table, to the big Don one, the Alpha and Omega, the silverback gorilla, that is Davido, to go and poke and prod at him. So this funny guy from Osun State, this short little guy, Ichoma's or Ijoma or Chioma, whatever his girlfriend's name is, I think it's Chioma. So now this guy, Chioma's boyfriend, has now put a bounty on this girl's head. You know Nigerians are money. When you put a bounty on somebody, immediately within 30 seconds they'll flush them out. So they've now flushed these girls out, and Davido of course has now effected their arrest and is now going to take them through the legal process to set them as an example, as a test case that, look, thus far and no further. We will not go beyond this point now, and you cannot just arbitrarily call out somebody's name in the public space and make false and unfounded allegation and just walk away. So an example now is being made of these girls. I feel a little bit sorry for them actually. They're just young girls who want to be part of what is going on in the society that they're in. But of course now they've crossed that line that should not be crossed, and now a price has to be paid. I am expecting Davido to drag their ass through the coal and let them feel a real burn, but I'm not expecting him, of course, to see these young girls in prison. Because what have they done? They've just made a silly little noise on social media, and that is the long and short of it, really. What have they done, really? Yes, they attacked him personally, but really they're just silly little girls. They're young girls. They made a mistake. You give them a bit of a punishment, which is what Davido is doing now, but of course you don't set out to ruin their lives. Conversations in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him, as George Bush said about Osama bin Laden, and as Davido is now saying about these two silly little girls. But they are silly little girls, and really we have to deal with them in that context. Come tell me all about your thoughts in the comment section, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video, and come tell me then a conversation about Davido and silly little girls in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.